So let's continue with matrices. Question number 31. This is a question which is now to be continued. We had completed till question number 30 in the last class. Okay. Yes. So the remaining questions, in fact, the last 10 questions which we are left to do are also same as the questions we had already done. Okay. So concept wise, we have completed the chapter. There is no new concept left only. We just need to practice a little more now. So question number 31. I'll just mark the sums which we will do today. So we will do third question number 31. 33. 35. You can mark if you want. 37 and 38. These are the questions which we will do. After which, I'll just go through the miscellaneous also. If there is any important sum in the miscellaneous, we'll cover that also. Start solving, all of you. Start solving this sum. I'll ask anyone to give me the next step. It is given in the question that AB equals C square. Okay, AB means A into B. So in the place of A, I will write 0, A minus 9, 0. And in the place of B, I will write 6, 0, 0, B. A into B is getting multiplied. And C square means I will multiply C 2 times. C will get multiplied. C square means what? C into C. Okay. Yes, Bilal.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the next step.
सर ए को बी से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे.
A को B से multiply. हाँ, tell me what will come.
0 plus minus 9 into 0.
So 0 into 6 is 0 plus minus 9 into 0. Minus 9 into 0 is also 0. Okay, next.
Then 0 to 0.
Okay. So you are multiplying the this first column now with the second row.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
First row with the second column.
Hmm.
Then a into 6 plus 0 into 0.
Complete this. 0 into 0 is 0. Then
Yes, sir. Into minus 9b. No, plus minus 9b.
minus 9b. Correct. Further.
A into 6 plus 0 into 0. Hello.
Yes, sorry for the disturbance. 6a plus 0. Yes, Bilal. And the last thing is,
So second row with the second column.
so a into 0 and 0 into b. Again
0
0.
into b.
And what answer did you get here? Can you tell me the answer directly?
So 9 minus 9 minus 9 plus minus 9, 9 plus 9 and minus 9 plus 9.
Minus 9 minus 9.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
And 9 plus 9 and minus 9 plus 9.
Minus 9 plus 9. Okay. Okay, so this is 0, 0, minus 9b.
So can I mute myself?
Yes, yes. So minus 9b and 6a. 0, 0, minus 18 and plus 18. Yes, is everyone getting the same answer? So send me the answers. Now, minus 9b will be equal to minus 18. So b will be equal to 2. And 6a is equal to 18. So a will be equal to 3. Okay, I hope all of you are getting the same answer. If anyone is finding anything difficult, you can ask me. Otherwise, I'll start with the next question. Now, in the question number 33, you know the value of P. Okay, you know the matrix P, but you don't know the matrix Q. Sorry, X. And you know the matrix Q. Okay. You cannot shift this matrix here because वो division में आ जाएगा और division आप कर नहीं सकते matrices में. Okay, you don't know that part. And first you will need to find the order of matrix X. आपको मैट्रिक्स एक्स को अज्यूम करना है, बट आप क्या अज्यूम करोगे? उसके लिए आपको पहले मैट्रिक्स एक्स का ऑर्डर पता होना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो हाउ टू फाइंड द ऑर्डर? I had explained you last time. See, this first matrix is 2 cross 2. This X matrix, you don't know the order. So it is A into B. Okay. And the answer matrix is 2 into 1. Okay. Now, how do you find the order? I told you, if you are multiplying two matrices, if you are multiplying two matrix here, then the middle number should be same. These two middle numbers should be same. Okay, so that means 2 and this A and 2 is same. Okay, so A की value है 2. And then the first and the last value, they combine to form the answer. जो ये first और last number होता है, इससे answer की matrix मिलती है. तो you can see the first number is 2 here. Okay, the first number is 2 here. और यहाँ पे भी 2 है. ठीक है, और second number क्या है आंसर मैट्रिक्स का? यहाँ पे 1 है और यहाँ पे b है, मींस दिस b is nothing but 1. ठीक है, आई होप दिस इज अंडरस्टूड. जो ये 2 और b होता है ना, दिस 2 एंड b विल कम हियर लाइक दिस. सो b की वैल्यू क्या मिली? b की वैल्यू है 1. ओके, वापस बताता हूँ, बीच में के दोनों नंबर सेम होने चाहिए, तो इसलिए मुझे मिल गई a की वैल्यू 2. ठीक है, और ये फर्स्ट और लास्ट मिल के आंसर के मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर आता है. सो आंसर की मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर क्या है? 2:1. और हमारे यहाँ फर्स्ट और लास्ट क्या है? 2:b. सो मतलब आपको b की वैल्यू क्या मिली? 1. तो मतलब a is 2 एंड b is 1. इसका मतलब द मैट्रिक्स x का ऑर्डर क्या होगा? इज 2:1. ठीक है, 2:1 इसका ऑर्डर मिला है. If the order is 2:1, now 2:1 है, मतलब इस मैट्रिक्स का ऐसा ऑर्डर होगा, दो दो वैल्यूज होगी इस मैट्रिक्स में, ठीक है। तो वो दो वैल्यूज को हम क्या लेंगे, अननोन ले लेंगे। सो इन द प्लेस ऑफ एक्स आई विल राइट ए एंड बी, and then I will write -7 and 11, and then I will solve it. सी देखो कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है मैट्रिक्स एक्स का ऑर्डर फाइंड करना। हमने इसका ऑर्डर फाइंड किया 2 × 1, ओनली देन आई वाज एबल टू राइट योर ए एंड बी। अगर मैं ऑर्डर फाइंड करता ही नहीं, समझो मैं पहले ही लिख देता, लेट्स से आई वुड हैव रिटन दैट ए बी सी डी, 4 वैल्यू लिख देता मैं, बट मैट्रिक्स एक्स का ऑर्डर 2 × 2 नहीं है, ठीक है। क्या ऑर्डर है वो पहले आपको निकालना पड़ता है। Okay, now you multiply the matrix. So now the first column will multiply with the first row will multiply with the first column. Okay, so 1 into A plus -2 into B. Okay, एक ही आंसर आएगा, बिकॉज सिर्फ एक रो एक कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, तो एक आंसर ही आएगा बस। नाउ द सेकेंड रो, ठीक है, द सेकेंड रो विल मल्टीप्लाई विद द सेकेंड कॉलम, second row will multiply with the the second row will multiply with the first column. So -3A plus 4B. So A minus 2B, and here I am getting -3A plus 4B equal to -7 and 11. Now how to solve this? You will take this as one equation and this as another equation. A minus 2B equals -7 and -3A plus 4B equals 11 simultaneously. You will solve them as simultaneous equations. Yes, has anyone got the answer for A and B? Actually saying A, is the value of A 3? Yes, others, please confirm. See, I will make the variable B same. Okay, correct, Moiz, Agraja, okay. Bilal, you are getting -3, others are getting the value as 3. Just take your answer. A is 3. Then you put the value of A in equation 1. Correct, Moiz. Heath, I think your answer is wrong. Okay. Next question is question number 35. Solve the question number 35. Be careful with the calculations because the terms are big here compared to other questions. Here see this a minus b and b minus 5. This is part of one row only. So this is just one term a minus b. ये एक ही term है a minus b. Okay, and this b minus 5 is also one term. So this is the first row and this is the first column. So first row into first column क्या होगा? A minus b multiply हुआ -3 से plus b minus 5 multiply हुआ 2 से. This will give you your first answer. Then I multiply the second row with the first column. Seven will get multiplied inside. Minus 3b plus 4b. Minus 3b plus 4b will give me b. Now you will equate it. So this b plus 9 is equal to 14. So minus 3a plus 25 minus 10. So minus 3a plus 15 is 21. So minus 3a equals 6. So a equals -2. Correct. Yes, Naisha, Ishan, Manthan, Achal, Reena, correct. Answers are correct. Start with the next question. So I think now all of you are very comfortable with the multiplication of two matrices with different orders. So इसमें तो मुझे कोई issue नहीं लग रहा है. Question number 37, do the first one only. Only the first one, second one is the same. I gave you this question because I want to know what final answer have you written. Did you find the what order did you get of the final answer? That is why I gave you this question. क्या आपने सोचा कि ऑर्डर क्या आएगा या आपने डायरेक्टली मल्टीप्लिकेशन स्टार्ट कर दिया? You have to first know what will be the order of the final answer. वो जानना बहुत जरूरी है कि फाइनल आंसर का ऑर्डर होगा क्या. So यहाँ पे this matrix is 1 cross 2 and this matrix is 2 cross 2. So the numbers are same inside, so we can multiply. And when I see the first and the last number, the order of the answer matrix will be 1 cross 2. Okay, will be 1 cross 2. तो मतलब 1 cross 2 मतलब ऊपर एक आंसर आएगा और नीचे एक आंसर आएगा. नहीं, ये गलत है. 1 क्रॉस 2 का मतलब क्या होता है? एक रो और 2 कॉलम्स. तो 1 क्रॉस 2 का मतलब होता है कि एक आंसर यहाँ पे आएगा और एक आंसर इधर आएगा, ऐसे. दिस इज 1 क्रॉस 2 मैट्रिक्स. कई स्टूडेंट्स मिस्टेक करते हैं, 1 क्रॉस 2 मैट्रिक्स की जगह पे इसको ऐसा आंसर लिख देते हैं ऊपर नीचे. दैट इज रॉन्ग. आपको ध्यान देना है कि क्या मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लाई हो रही है. So 3 into 2 plus 5 into 1. First we will multiply the first row with the first column and then first row with the second column. जब second column से multiply करोगे तो आंसर इधर राइट साइड में आएगा. Correct, Heath, Ishan, Isha, Agrija, correct. Start the question number 38 also. Find the values of A and B. Nisa, it's 11 and 6. What answer are you getting after multiplication of these first two matrices? See, यहाँ पे all of you just pay attention. I have explained you how to find the order of the unknown matrix. ठीक है? I have explained you how to find the order of unknown matrix. I want all of you to pay attention. I'll tell you one trick also here. That order आप guess भी कर सकते हो कि order क्या होगा matrix का. See, if you are multiplying any matrix with the 2 cross 2 matrix, जैसे आप समझो आपने एक छोटा matrix लिया, let's say x y, and you are multiplying it with 2 4 minus 6 3. ठीक है? Now you want to know what will be the order of the answer matrix. आपको पता नहीं है, आपको पता करना है कि आंसर मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर क्या होगा. तो आपको क्या करना है पता है? ये जो छोटी वाली मैट्रिक्स है ना यहाँ पे, इसका ऑर्डर है 1 क्रॉस 2 और ये है हमारी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स. ठीक है? तो आप जब किसी छोटे मैट्रिक्स को स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो जो ये छोटा मैट्रिक्स होता है ना, वही आंसर आता है, वही ऑर्डर का आंसर आता है. ओके, जो आपका ऑर्डर होगा आंसर मैट्रिक्स का वो भी होगा 1 क्रॉस 2. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? जब आप एक छोटे मैट्रिक्स को 2x2 मैट्रिक्स से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो जो आंसर आने वाला है उस मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर भी ये छोटे मैट्रिक्स जैसा ही होता है. ओके जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू हैव, if this is the matrix and you are multiplying it with this matrix, ठीक है, ये 2x2 है, ये 2x1 है, और आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो तो आंसर क्या आने वाला है? आंसर आएगा 2x1 ही आएगा मैट्रिक्स. जो भी छोटा मैट्रिक्स होता है वही आंसर आता है. Now you multiply this, so this is 1x2 matrix and this is 2, तो जो आंसर आएगा वो भी 1x2 मैट्रिक्स आएगा. You very well know that. Okay, so 2a plus 3b and then 4a minus 6b equals 14 and minus 20. So when we equate the values, 2a plus 3b will be equal to 14. Okay, plus 3b will be equal to 14 and 4a minus 6b will be equal to minus 20. Now you can equate any term you want. You can equate a by multiplying this equation by 2. Okay, so ये हो जाएगा 4a plus 6b equals 28. Second equation is 4a minus 6b equals minus 20. Now we will need to subtract this. So when I subtract, all the signs will change. Okay, so this will cancel. 6a plus 6a is 12b. 28 plus 20 is 48. So you will get b as 4. When you will put the value of b4 in the equation 1, you will get a as 1. This will be your answer for a and b. Next, I want you to do 3 sums from the miscellaneous. Now, from the miscellaneous, I want you to do 3 sums. Those are question number 11, 13, and 15. From miscellaneous, we need to do these 3 sums. These sums I found a little different from what we have done. I mean, वैसे तो आप कर लोगे, but in case you have any doubt, we can clear it out here itself. I think question number 11, the same type of question we had done in the exercise also. Because you know what I matrix is. I matrix is an identity matrix. These are the sums we are solving in miscellaneous. It is written here. So A square means you will write the A matrix twice. And I is 1, 0, 0, 1. I matrix is 1, 0, 0, 1. Now let's multiply. Once you have multiplied the matrices, you will have to equate them. One plus 3A equals 7. Then 3 plus 3B equals 0. So this 3 will go there and it will become minus 3. So B will be minus 3 upon 3. That is minus 1. So these are your answers, final answers. A is 2 and B is minus 1. Question number 13 next. Now, see, this two matrix which are given here, if you observe carefully, see, x plus y, they have given us some matrix, and x minus y, they have given us some matrix. So how will we solve this? We will solve this simultaneously. Simultaneously कैसे solve करते हैं? Add both these equations which are given. So add करने से क्या होगा? X plus x will give you 2x. This y will get cancelled. Okay, and these two matrices will get added. 8, 11, 11, 14. Add हो जाएगा कौन से मैट्रिक्स से? The matrix which is just below this matrix, like this. Add these two matrix, so you will get 2x equals 8 plus minus 4, so that is 4. 11 minus 5 is 6. 11 plus 3 is 14, and 14 plus 4 is 18. This is what you will get, and then this 2 will get divided. These two will get divided. Divided means from each term you will have to divide 2. So each term से 2 divide करेंगे, तो this will be your answer. Final answer will be this. Acha, we have to find y also. Yes, yes, yes. So x plus y equals 8, 11, 11, 14. Now the same तरीके से हम simultaneous में कैसे करते हैं? In the place of x, write this matrix. In the place of x, write this matrix. I'll do the next step here. So x की जगह पे I will write 2, 3, 7, 9. Okay, plus y equals 8, 11, 11, 14. Okay, wait, is there any mistake here? So it will not be 1. So it will be 1, not 2 in the answer. I don't know. Yes, the answers are correct. So y matrix, you will have to shift this matrix on the right hand side and it will get subtracted. So 8, 11, 11, 14 minus 2, 3, 7, 9. Okay. So you will get y as 6, 8, 4, 5. Correct. Perfect answer. Last question number 15. More enough. Whichever book in which you solve your homework. Okay, I've asked you to make a homework book. Okay, so whenever you do your homework in the homework book, do it neatly. Write the heading that you are solving a so and so exercise from so and so book, so that later on you can refer those as solutions. Okay, you won't have time always to solve all the sums, but you will need solution, your own solution. The solution which is available on internet or the solution which you take it from some other textbook will not work. Whatever you have solved yourself, that is the best reference for you in future. Question number 15, A is 3, 7 and B is 2, 4, 5, 6. Now they are first asking, is the product of A and B possible? So I will see the order, the middle, the numbers inside are same, correct? These numbers are same. So yes, the product is possible. I will write here, yes. Product AB is possible. Okay. Then they are asking me give reasons why. The reason is number of rows, correct, group in A is equal to number of columns in B. Okay, this will be the reason. And if so, find the product AB. So product AB, yes, answer. Manthan is giving 3457. Is everyone getting the answer same as 3457? Yes, Isha, same answer, correct. 3 into 2 plus 7 into 4. then 3 into 5 plus 7 into 6. Yes, Sachi, Ishan, same answer. That means the answer may be correct. So 6 plus 28 and 15 plus 42. So this will give me 57 and this is 34. Very good. So this is your answer. So with this, we have completed the chapter matrices. Okay. Board questions are same as the ones in the exercise. So I will give you homework for board questions also, and as well as miscellaneous. There is no, I don't think so there is any sum now left out. You must also practice the solved examples, because many a times I ask questions in the test from the solved examples. I'll tell you whatever it is. So solved examples से मैं कई बार पूछता हूँ टेस्ट में questions. तो जब आप प्रैक्टिस करो तो you should also practice solved examples. Okay. Just a small mistake here. This is rows and this is columns ना, तो मैंने उल्टा लिख दिया जरा यहाँ पे, इसको change कर दो. Just change this. Number of columns in A is equal to number of rows in B. Number of columns in A is equal to number of rows in B. ठीक है? Yes, just make this changes. ऐसे होना चाहिए.